Number 1. The Midnight Zone. The Midnight Zone is the deepest, darkest part of the ocean, accounting for about 90% of its total volume. This vast, mysterious region lies beyond the reach of sunlight, which barely penetrates 200 meters below the surface. The lack of light makes it impossible for photosynthesis to occur, severely limiting the types of life that can exist there. In this eerie environment, some of the weirdest and most terrifying creatures lurk. Bioluminescent organisms emit faint glows, while others rely on alternative senses such as echolocation or highly sensitive touch. The Midnight Zone's extreme conditions, including near-freezing temperatures and crushing pressure, support unique ecosystems that remain largely unexplored and poorly understood. This vast, dark expanse is home to an incredible array of alien-like creatures adapted to survive in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Number 2. Underwater volcanoes. Underwater volcanoes are volcanic formations that occur beneath the ocean's surface. There are over 1 million of these submerged volcanoes, with some located near tectonic plate boundaries, while others rise from the seafloor as seamounts. Many underwater volcanoes are active, with some erupting unexpectedly and releasing hot ash gas and molten rock. These eruptions can have significant effects on the surrounding ocean and coastline. They can create tsunamis, shift the ocean floor, and impact marine ecosystems. Hydrothermal vents, often found near underwater volcanoes, support unique communities of organisms that thrive in the harsh conditions surrounding these volcanic formations. The study of underwater volcanoes continues to reveal insights into Earth's geological processes and the diversity of life on our planet. Number 3. Ocean dead zones. Ocean dead zones are areas where the water has extremely low oxygen levels, making it difficult for most marine life to survive. These zones are often found in coastal waters, estuaries, and river mouths, where excess nutrients from fertilizers, sewage, and industrial waste can stimulate excessive algae growth. When the algae die and decompose, they consume the available oxygen, leaving behind an oxygen-depleted environment. This can lead to the death of fish, coral, and other marine organisms that rely on oxygen. Climate change and pollution have contributed to the expansion of these dead zones, affecting commercial fisheries ecosystems and the overall health of the ocean. Some dead zones are seasonal, while others are permanent, covering vast areas of the ocean floor. Number 4. Deep sea gigantism. Deep sea gigantism refers to the phenomenon where certain deep-sea creatures grow to significantly larger sizes than their shallow water counterparts. This occurs in various species, including fish, invertebrates, and microorganisms. For example, giant isopods, deep-sea crustaceans related to woodlice, can reach the size of a house cat. The causes of deep-sea gigantism are still debated among scientists. Factors contributing to this phenomenon may include the scarcity of food in deep-sea environments, slower metabolism rates, and reduced competition for resources. Additionally, the extreme conditions in deep-sea environments, such as near-freezing temperatures and crushing pressure, may favor the survival of larger organisms. This phenomenon highlights the unique adaptations and diversity of life in the deep ocean. Number 5. Ocean sounds. The ocean produces mysterious sounds, often described as low-frequency rumbles or whispers. One of the most famous examples is the bloop detected in 1997 by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA. This ultra-low frequency sound was louder than any known earthly sound and was picked up by sensors over 3,000 miles apart. Despite extensive research, the origin of the bloop remains unknown. Scientists speculate that it could have come from unknown marine animals, underwater volcanic activity, or other natural phenomena. The ocean's vastness and complexity make it challenging to pinpoint the sources of these enigmatic sounds. Researchers continue to study these mysterious noises to better understand the ocean's dynamics and potentially uncover new insights into marine life and geological processes. Number 6. Underwater caves. Underwater caves and tunnels are complex networks of passages and caverns beneath the ocean's surface. These labyrinthine spaces can be found in coral reefs, rocky coastlines, and beneath ice shelves. Some underwater caves stretch for miles with multiple entrances and exits. Exploring these underwater caves is extremely challenging due to their complexity, darkness, and potential for getting lost. Even experienced divers and researchers face significant risks, including disorientation, equipment failure, and entrapment. The unique conditions within these caves support specialized ecosystems with organisms adapted to live in darkness, low oxygen levels, and stable water temperatures. Scientists continue to study these environments to discover new species, understand geological processes, and unravel the secrets of the ocean's most inaccessible regions. Number 7. Human remains. Human remains lie on the ocean floor, preserved by the cold temperatures and lack of oxygen. Many of these remains come from sunken ships and planes where passengers and crew perished. Some wrecks date back centuries while others are more recent. The ocean's conditions can slow down decomposition, allowing human remains to remain relatively intact for long periods. In some cases, artifacts and personal belongings are still intact, providing valuable historical insights. Researchers and explorers have discovered numerous wrecks documenting the stories of those who lost their lives at sea. These finds serve as poignant reminders of maritime history, human exploration, and the risks associated with traveling the world's oceans. Number 8. Underwater forests. Underwater forests, also known as submerged forests, are ancient tree trunks and roots preserved beneath the ocean surface. These forests were once on land but were submerged due to rising sea levels, tectonic activity, or other geological events. Some underwater forests date back thousands of years, providing a glimpse into Earth's past. The preserved tree trunks and roots support unique ecosystems hosting a variety of marine life. Fish, crustaceans, and microorganisms thrive among the submerged branches and roots. Researchers study these underwater forests to learn about past climate, sea level changes, and the impact of human activities on coastal ecosystems. The discovery of underwater forests has expanded our understanding of the ocean's role in shaping Earth's history and the interconnectedness of terrestrial and marine environments. Number 9. The Greenland shark. The Greenland shark is a slow-moving deep-water predator found in the cold waters of the North Atlantic. This massive shark can live up to 400 years, making it one of the longest-living vertebrates on Earth. Its extraordinary lifespan is likely due to its slow growth rate and adaptations to the harsh, food-scarce environment. Despite its impressive size, the Greenland shark has poor eyesight, largely due to parasitic worms that infect its eyes. However, its sense of smell is highly developed, allowing it to detect prey in the dark depths. The shark's diet consists mainly of fish, seals, and even other sharks. Researchers continue to study the Greenland shark to understand its remarkable longevity, unique physiology, and role in the ocean's ecosystem. Its exceptional lifespan also raises questions about the potential impact of climate change and human activities on this ancient species. Number 10. Lost shipwrecks. Lost shipwrecks lie scattered across the ocean floor, estimated to number around 3 million. These sunken vessels hold secrets of human history from ancient civilizations to modern times. Each wreck provides a unique window into the past, revealing stories of trade, exploration, conflict, and everyday life. The study of shipwrecks has shed light on historical events, maritime technologies, and cultural exchanges. Archaeologists and historians analyze artifacts, cargo, and vessel design to reconstruct the lives of those who sailed the seas. From the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek astronomical calculator, to the treasures of the Spanish galleon, shipwrecks have yielded remarkable discoveries.